This is simply a bad practice. Some county offices like
एक तू ही भरोसा
see their budget shrink by 10%.
मेरे को क्यों ले रहा है यार YouTube
Budget is approved.
पता चलना चाहिए कौन रिकॉर्ड करे ऐसे तो कोई भी रिकॉर्ड कर देगा
Said he may have to lay off about 100 employees.
Alright, here we are in San Francisco, California. It's very sunny outside and planning to go out, do some trekking this evening. So that's all. That's all you can do in San Francisco, man. Nothing else.
If you stay alive, we'll get back to you again.
We want to go to Chicago. It's sunny in Chicago, man. We miss Chicago.
Hey, look at that tree. Chicago, Midwest storm, snowstorm, blizzard, whatever you call.
If you're listening to a radio, I would assume you're not dumb then.
Spoke with Watkins personally. Watkins earlier stated she never used crack, though she admits to early substance abuse. She says she's been clean for more than 30 years.
Substance abuse.
WBEZ.
A statement from Patricia Watkins says she accepts
Oh boy.
She says involved in seeking sensitivity counseling.
Yeah,
Turning to our forecast.
face to face,
Tonight, heavy snow with blizzard conditions low around
like
20.